This is the Civic. It's a little bit Civic. We held this car 2008. That's my first car when I work in Indiana. And just the first week I started working, my first car in America is the Ford Taurus. Is broken. Is completely broken. The transmission was bad. I cannot fix it. So I need a reliable car to drive to work. That's why I purchased this car. 2008. Yeah, that's a Civic. This by right now around 16 years. 16 years. A lot of story on this car. It's really good. The engine is very reliable. Never give me problem. Transmission never gives problem. But some small things about the silicon rubber, the liners on the top of the roof, and also some on the rubber seal right here, something like that. It gives trouble, but otherwise, great car. And we'll try to fully remodel this car for my kids, so they can help place driving. Well, you can see on the top we get a hill around the 2010. We go to places St. Louis. We get a hill damage on it, and now the gentleman tried to fix the top of the roof to do that, and we get some hill damage in here front also. So that's what we try to fix it, and that'll be a great car. That'll be a great car. And we have the seal. We lost some of the seal right here. I put some kind of rubber padding inside here. It looks bad, but it's sealed. And now it's our gentleman to take that one away. They would do a much better seal right here. There are a lot of the story about this car, and I think first in the front part we fix here, and it's my wife driving, and in a birthday party with my daughter, she driving there, and apparently, and he have a car accident with two older couples. They're really nice. They're when they have the accident, they stop there, they call police come in, and they have insurance, so the insurance take care of that every day. And we have another damage, I think, is on this side of the door, right here, on this side of the door. And we are joining a Bible study in a church, and one student hitting my car, and she actually told me, yeah, I don't want you let my insurance know, because that will raise my insurance. And I said it's okay, but I have by the time, I really believe that God can fix it in some way. So I said God will take care of that, and we take care later. We talk about later how God take care of that. And yeah, so how the God take care of that is when we go to St. Louis, and we have a hill hitting our car. By the time I really don't have any money. We have 4 family members. I only get $2,000 every month, so we really do not have money. And I have a nephew come in. We try to treat him some meal, but for some reason I just cannot get any food or just don't have the opportunity to spend any penny. All the shops are closed because of the storm, because the hill. So all the way, and I have no spend money. And eventually I said, at least I can buy some grocery for you. And then all the grocery store closed. So just God, amazing. God know I don't have money. he didn't let me spend any money. And also the hail hitting my car, damage on the roof. You see all the denting on the top. And when I come back, I said, man, I don't know how much this one to fix it, and how the insurance company will say, you know, why you don't park your car into the parking garage and let it damage. You responsible for what you do. But when we can't get it back, we send to the quoting or insurance company. They didn't see anything. They didn't ask what happened. No, they didn't ask that. They just said, okay, so to fix this roof is very expensive, and you rather fix it or you can take a check. So they give me $5,000 check for that. So I take that money. And also he said, what happened with this bumper? What happened with the door? I said, what happened? He said, nope, we take care of that. Don't worry, we take care of all of that. I will see that's a fistful of the God, you know, for the door. I know God take care of that. I never imagined God take care of that way. And I don't have money. I don't realize God uses hell to give me $5,000. But that's what happened. A lot of story about this car. And right here, Jackie already fixed this part to some level. I parked my car at my home, and we're not parking in the garage. We're parking on the street. My neighbor, he has a truck. He was 91 years old. When he backed his truck, he hit on here. He said, I don't want to call police because they will suspend my driver's license because I'm too old. Yeah, so we didn't call police, and then this gentleman, he said, we'll take care of that for you. We'll take care of that for you. So that's all story about the car. Now Jackie work on it. I have a friend, his name Miss Jonathan. He will come here, give a hand to work on it, and we try to get this car fixed for my daughter go to school. And now the gentleman start to work on it. Yeah, we see how this car will fix, and they'll be looking really good. I'm looking forward to see how they're fixed and looking good. All right, yeah, thank you. I share my little story in United States and met people, and a little story about the living. And this is my name is Dr. Young, and I was the inventor of the PSC Nasal Filter, and we advocate breathe healthy, breathing safe, clean, and comfortable. Use a nasal filter whenever you have concern about the air you're breathing. In United States, lots of air is good, but indoor, like a restaurant, like a place, a supermarket, the air pollution can be bad because of cooking. That can equal to international, like Asian countries. So, but anyway, we make a different videos, and we want to share about the life, share about the learnings, lessons, and also share about our message about the healthy breathing. Okay, thank you very much. Here you see is another car. We was hit a couple days ago in the farmer market by the manager, and she gave me all her insurance information, and I didn't get this contact by the insurance yet, but we will take care of this one later when we take care of the red car. Well, life always has things like that, but just be thankful for everything. Thankful we have a car to going around, and thankful we have a job. We can bring some bread on the table. Yes, thank you all. Y'all be good. Y'all be safe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.